19.4 kilo Brazilian amethyst cave with black agate lining. Some cool little things down the bottom there. And crystals inside. So 34 centimeters wide, 39 centimeters high, and 17 centimeters deep. So this cave's got quite a strong sort of clearing energy. So it's good for clearing meditations, clearing out a room. I'll show you the side profile in a second. So there's the 2-litre container and Coke can. Yeah, so that's the shape. This is the other side. And of course it comes with a 1-hour meditation link if you like, so you can sit with it next to you or on your lap and do the golden ray, amethyst ray healing manifestation meditation, which is pretty cool. That'll help you to tune into the cave. Oh, here we go, here goes some sun. So in the full sun it looks a little bit lighter. Please contact me on the phone to arrange pickup. Any questions? Again, contact me on the phone preferably, please. Thank you.